Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is to bell the cat. To bell the cat, which means this relatively old idiom means to perform a dangerous or risky task. इसको हम उर्दू में बिल्ली को घंटी कौन बांधेगा यानी मुश्किल काम रिस्क कौन लेगा, वहाँ पे ये हम इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like everybody seems to agree that we have got to bell the cat, but no one wants to step forward and volunteer to lead. यानी हर कोई इस चीज़ पे एग्री कर रहा है कि वो ये मुश्किल काम करेगा, मगर कोई भी आगे नहीं आ रहा और रज़ामंदी से इसको आगे लीड नहीं कर रहा. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression as to bell the cat. Here is another sentence. Yes, but who will tell him she's no good? Who will bell the cat? So once again we have used here bell the cat. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression in these sentences or different situations.